So, good afternoon, welcome to Sakla YouTube channel. So, welcome to the vector algebra classes. So, now in the last session we have discussed up to division formulae, right? Even we have discussed midpoint also. Meenakshi, Geeta, Pavani, welcome. Geeta, right. So, now let us discuss point of trisection. Point of trisection. Point of trisection. Good afternoon all. Good afternoon Sanjay, Nitin, Sai, right. Navya. The points which divide the line segment in the ratio 1:2 or 2:1 are called points of trisection. Points of trisection. Or trisectional points. Trisectional points. Trisectional points. Jeshwat Reddy. Okay. So now this is the line segment. For example, say this A, this is B, right? AB line segment. Suppose the 2 points P and Q. P divides, this is 1:2 ratio, whereas AQ is to QB equal to 2:1. Therefore, P comma Q are called points of trisection. Points of trisection. Right. So next, the position vector of the centroid G of triangle ABC with vertices A bar comma B bar comma C bar is A bar plus B bar plus C bar by 3. This is the position vector of centroid of triangle ABC. You may be asked to find out the position vector of centroid of triangle ABC, where the vertices position vector of vertex A, vertex B, vertex C are given. Then that is position vector of A plus position vector of B plus position vector of C by 3. So that we can write it. So that means now with the help of diagram, So let us try to understand the position vector of centroid. Say this is A, whose position vector is A bar, the vertex B, whose position vector is B bar, this is C vertex, whose position vector is C bar. So now D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of CA, F be the midpoint of AB. You join CF and BE. This G is called point of concurrence of the medians, is called centroid G. Here now see hint, what is given means OA bar equals to A bar given, OB bar equals to B bar given, OC bar equals to C bar given. This is given. That means position vectors of the centroid, position vector only, sorry, the position vector of G with vertices A bar, B bar, C bar means, for example, origin means arbitrary point anywhere you can take. For example, origin is O here, right? So now here then this OG bar, position vector of centroid G, that is OG bar equals to, we can write OA bar plus OB bar plus OC bar by 2, sorry 3, that is equal to, we can have A bar plus B bar plus C bar by 3. This is the concept of the position vector of the centroid of G, whose position vectors of vertices are given A bar, B bar, C bar. Right, next concept. So next concept. If G is the centroid of triangle ABC, then GA bar plus GB bar plus GC bar, that means resultant of these three vectors is equal to how much? Anybody respond? What is the answer? You will get it. GA bar plus GB bar plus GC bar is equal to how much? If G is the centroid of triangle ABC, then GA bar plus GB bar plus GC bar, or we can say that, so, Naresh, thank you Naresh. So now you take the triangle. So let us consider triangle, say whose vertex A, B, C. Let us say position vector of A is A bar, this is B bar, this is C bar. So now you join the centroid like this. G, this is GA, GB and GC we need to find out. Let us say OB origin, hint writing. Let O be the origin, and let OA bar equals to A bar, OB bar equals to B bar, otherwise you leave it, no problem. So that means directly we can write like this also. Let PV of A, position vector of A is equal to OA bar, position vector of B is equal to OB bar, position vector of C is equal to OC bar, right? So now OG bar find out, that is position vector of centroid, that we know OA bar plus OB bar plus OC bar by 3. In the last We have discussed it. Say equation 1. Now we need to find out GA bar plus GB bar plus GC bar. So consider GA bar plus GB bar plus GC bar. So in the last session we have discussed one important concept. Let me recall that concept. For example, any vector AB bar is there. This we can write as a difference of their position vectors. That means OB minus OA we can write. Position vector of B minus position vector of A. For example, here actually O is the origin. This we can write OA minus OG. This we can write OB minus OG. This we can write OC minus OG. See, this we can write OA plus OB plus OC minus OG, 3 OG. See, this OA plus OB plus OC is equal to 3 times OG, we can write it here. So that means instead of this 3 OG we can write 3 OG minus 3 OG. You will be getting 0. So that's why, so this is equal to 0 bar. 0 bar. Thank you, Sriva Brahmachari. If G is the centroid of triangle ABC, then GA bar plus GB bar plus GC bar is equal to 0 bar. Then null vector resultant of these three is equal to null vector, you will get it, or 0 vector you will be getting. Okay. So next concept let us discuss. If A bar comma B bar comma C bar comma D bar are the position vectors yes Brahmachari, absolutely correct, of the vertices A, B, C and D respectively of a tetrahedron ABCD. Tetrahedron ABCD. Shankara Nagajyoti. Then the position vector of its centroid is Maunika. Centroid is. So that means take a tetrahedron. This is called tetrahedron. Just like prism type. Vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, this is vertex D. Position vector A bar, this is B bar, this is C bar, this is D bar. Then centroid may be like this, G bar, G. O be the arbitrary point, origin, is A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar upon 4. You remember this formula. This also we can write OG bar, position vector of G of tetrahedron, equal to OA bar plus OB bar plus OC bar plus OD bar upon 4. That is A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar upon 4. So good afternoon, right. Next, unit, sorry, unit vector, bisecting, bisecting the angle between, the angle between, the angle between OA is equal to A bar, comma, OB equals to B bar is, that is A cap. A cap means unit vector plus B cap plus A cap plus B cap. So that means, say this is OA vector, this is OB vector. Let OC be the vector bisecting the angle between these two. These two angles are equal. This OC is called the unit vector bisecting the angle between OA A bar, OB B bar is A bar plus B bar by mod of A bar plus B bar. So why not, it will be useful for your intermediate also. Next, note write down the vector, bisecting, angle between, angle between OA is equal to A bar and OB is equal to B bar is of the form, lambda of A bar plus B bar, where lambda is a scalar, lambda belongs to R and lambda does not equal to 0. Right. Right. So now let us start the problems now. So let us start the problems now. So 1 minute, I'll start the problems. Right, let us start the problems now. Now problems. So problems. Good afternoon. First problem. If AB bar equal to 3i minus 2j plus k, BC bar equals to I plus 2j minus 2k, CD equals to 2i plus j plus 3k, right? And OA bar equal to I plus j plus k. Then PV of D. Then PV of D. Position vector of D. Position vector of D means OD bar we need to find out. OD bar we need to find out. First option 2I plus 3j plus 3k. Second option 7I plus 2j plus 3k. Third option is 3I plus 2j plus 7k. Fourth option 3I minus 2j plus 7k. Okay, this is the first question. What is the answer? Anybody? What is the answer? Okay, good afternoon Ajay, good afternoon GST, good afternoon Bhudevi. Good afternoon Sneha. Right. AB bar is equal to 3I minus 2j plus k. BC bar is equal to I plus 2j minus 2k. CD bar is equal to 2I plus j plus 3k. OA bar, position vector of A given. Now the position vector of D we need to find out. Position vector of D means OD bar we need to find out. Let O be the origin, for example. Okay, how to find out means one logic, let us see. So now consider my plan is like this: OA bar plus AB bar plus BC bar plus CD bar I will write. See, OA bar plus OB bar is OB bar plus BC bar plus CD bar. See my dear students, OB bar plus BC bar is OC bar plus CD bar. Yes, we get OD bar. This is the position vector of D, PV of D. So that means add all these vectors, you will get position vector of D. So that is the answer now. Right. So now here OD bar is equal to add all these vectors. Add all these vectors means 3I plus I, 4I plus 2I, 6I plus I, 7I minus 2j plus 2j cancel, j plus 2j. Here k plus k, 2k cancel, we have 3k plus 3k. That means PV of D is given by 7I plus 2j plus 3k. Second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Right. Next, second question now. Second question. So good afternoon, good afternoon. The position vectors of of P and Q are respectively A bar and B bar. If R is a point on PQ, R is a point on PQ such that such that PR bar equal to 5 times PQ bar. Then the position vector of R is first option 5B bar minus 4A bar, second 5B bar plus 4A bar, third 4B bar minus 5A bar, fourth one 4B bar plus 5A bar. Right. So let us do it now. The position vectors of P, Q are respectively A bar and B bar. So that means solution right now. OP bar equals to A bar, OQ bar is equal to B bar given. R is a point on PQ. So position vector of R you need to find out. OR is equal to question mark. OR is equal to question mark. Option 1. Let us see now. So now the PR we can write as OR minus OP 5 times. This we can write OQ minus OP we can write it. Substitute. OR we do not know. OP is A bar. 5 times OQ is equal to B bar minus OP is A bar. Now we can simplify. OR bar is equal to 5B minus 5A plus A bar. So this is equal to 5B bar minus 5A bar plus A bar minus 4A bar. Therefore position vector of R equal to 5B bar minus 4A bar. This is the answer. So good morning Karthik. That means first option is the right option. Okay, understood now this question. Let us move to the third question now. Yes, exactly correct. So now third question. A point C is equal to 5A bar plus 4B bar minus 5C bar upon 3 divides the line segment joining A equals to A bar minus 2B bar plus 3C bar and B in the ratio 2:1. Then the position vector of B is, this is the question, position vector of B is question mark. First option A bar plus 3B bar minus 4C bar, second 2A bar minus 3B bar plus 4C bar, Third one is 2a bar plus 3b bar plus 4c bar. Fourth one, 2a bar plus 3b bar minus 4c bar. Right, anybody, what is the answer? Here see the C point whose position vector is given. This is the position vector of C, OC bar given, or PV of C, divides the line segment joining A point and B point in the ratio 2:1. Then the position vector of B we need to find out. Position vector of B means OB bar we need to find out. OB bar is equal to question mark. So just if you draw the figure, you will get an idea. So this is, say, A, this is B point. So here C is the point. Position vector is given. Let us say origin may be like this. O is the origin. Okay, leave it now. Position vector of A given. This is A bar minus 2B bar plus 3C bar given. And position vector of C bar given. Position vector of this we need to find out. OB bar is equal to question mark we need to find out. It divides 2:1 ratio. So that means we can write like this. So use arrow diagram. 2 into B bar, 1 into A bar upon 3 equal to OB bar, OC bar you can write it. So OC bar is equal to, we can write like this, 2 times OB bar plus OA bar upon 2 plus 1, 3, cross multiply. 2 times OB bar is equal to 3 times OC bar plus OA bar. So 3 times OC bar. Already OC bar is equal to this much. 3 times OC bar is equal to 5A bar plus 4B bar minus 5C bar plus OA bar. This is the OA bar. This is OA bar, position vector of A. So that means A bar minus 2B bar plus 3C bar. Just simple addition. 5A bar plus A bar is 6A bar. 4B minus 2B plus 2B bar plus 2B bar minus 5C plus 3C, that is minus 2C bar. 6A bar, this is 2 OB bar. We need OB bar. Divide by 2. OB bar is equal to 3A bar plus B bar minus C bar. So sorry, this will be 3 OC, 2 OB, right. 6A. Okay. We need OB bar only. 2B bar is equal to minus, sorry. I did mistake here. Sorry. Absolutely sorry. So now 3 OC bar minus OA bar, that is equal to 5A bar plus 4B bar minus 5C bar minus OA minus A bar plus 2B bar minus 3C bar. So now this is equal to, we can simplify, 5A minus A, 4A bar plus 6B bar minus 8C bar, divide by 2 to get OB bar, that equals to 2A bar plus 3B bar minus 4C bar. 2a plus 3b minus 4c. 2a plus 3b. 3b. Yes, fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Right. So fourth one. Fourth problem. Let us move to the fourth problem now. Right. If lambda times 2i minus 4j plus 4k is a unit vector. Unit vector. Just recall the definition of the unit vector. Then lambda is equal to. Bhaskar Reddy. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Sai Kaushik. First option plus or minus 1 upon 4. Second option plus or minus 1 upon 7. Third option plus or minus 1 upon 5. Fourth option plus or minus 1 upon 6. Right. So now see, this is a unit vector. Unit vector means whose modulus is equal to 1. Whose modulus is equal to 1. So that means given that actually here modulus of lambda times 2i plus minus 4j plus 4k is equal to 1 unity. So my dear students, yes, 5 or 6 marks, absolutely correct. Modulus of ai plus bj plus z ck equals to root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is the modulus of the any vector. So now this modulus of this one is mod of lambda root of, this will be 2 square 4 minus 4 square 16, 4 square is 16 equals to 1. This is mod lambda root 36 equals to 1. This is 6 mod lambda is equal to 1. So mod lambda is equal to 1 upon 6. Remove the mod. Lambda is equal to plus or minus 1 upon 6. This is the answer. Who is Mr. Anil Kumar? Plus or minus 1 upon 6. This is the fourth one is the right answer. Fourth one is the right answer. Fifth one. If a bar equals to I plus j, b bar equals to j plus k, c bar equals to k plus I, then unit vector, right? So are you there? Right. Unit vector along a bar minus 2b bar plus 3c bar is first option 1 upon root 2 times 4i minus 3j plus k. Second option 1 upon 3 root 2 4i minus j plus k. Third option 1 upon 3 root 2 I minus 4j plus k. Fourth option 1 upon 3 root 2 times I plus j minus 4k. Good evening, good evening. Say A is equal to I plus j, B is equal to j plus k, C is equal to k plus I. So what is the first step means? I didn't actually explain these problems, my dear students, please remember. So now first let us find out this vector first. Solution: A bar minus 2b plus 3c. This is I plus j minus 2j minus 2k, 3k plus 3i. Right. Okay, let us see right now. So this equals to 3i plus I, 4i minus 2j plus j minus j plus k. So now the unit vector you need to find out. That means first of all find out modulus of a minus 2b bar plus 3c bar. So that is modulus of 4i minus j plus k. That is under root of 4 square, 16 minus 1 square plus 1 and plus 1. That will be root 18. That we can write root of 9 into 2. That will be 3 root 2. Now we need to find out unit vector along. Along means same direction, not opposite direction. Okay, thank you Karthik. Okay, that means now unit vector that you can write E cap also equals to A bar minus 2b bar plus 3c bar upon modulus of A bar minus 2b bar plus 3c bar. So this is equal to 1 by 3 root 2 times 4i minus j plus k. That means second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Sixth problem, right. The unit vector parallel to I minus 3j minus 5k is the unit vector parallel to both. So this may be useful for Eamcet physics classes also. First one, 1 upon root 35 I minus 3j minus 5k. Second one is 7 by 3. Second one is I minus 3j minus 5k. It cannot be second one. Third option, minus 1 upon root 35 I minus 3j minus 5k. Fourth one is both 1 and 3. Both 1 and 3. Okay, try this question. The unit vector parallel to the given vector we need to find out. Unit vector parallel to the given vector. Option 4 is correct. Okay, okay. Unit vector parallel to I minus 3j minus 5k. So first solution, let us suppose a bar equals to I minus 3j minus 5k. First find modulus of a, that is equal to root of I coefficient is 1, 1 square 1, minus 3 square 9 plus 25. This is root of 35. Root of 35. So therefore we have the formula unit vector parallel to a bar equals to plus or minus a bar by mod a bar, that is equal to plus or minus I minus 3j minus 5k upon root 35. Therefore required vectors are, so plus 1 upon root 135 into I minus 3j minus 5k, or minus 1 upon root 35 times I minus 3j minus 5k. That means first option correct, third option correct. That's why both 1 and 3 are correct. Fourth option will be the right option. Fourth option. So this type of problems already explained. Okay, it might be explained, but it's a new class. Already fresh, I have started a vector algebra. Okay, seventh one. In the direction of a bar and having magnitude as mod b bar is right. First option 1/3 of I plus 2j plus 3k 2k. Second one 7 by 3 times I plus 2j plus 2k. Third one 5 by 3 times I plus 2j plus 2k. Fourth one 2 by 3 times I plus 2j plus 2k. This is the question. Right. A bar equals to this one, B bar is equal to this one. Then the vector in the direction of A bar we need to find out, and whose magnitude is B bar. That means first of all you find out the mod A and mod B. Mod A, root of 1 plus 4 plus 4, root 9, that is 3. Mod B, root of 9 plus 36 plus 4, root 49. So 7, that means 7 by 3. Second option will be the right option. Without doing also we can say. But vector in the direction of A bar having magnitude, modulus, that means magnitude as B, mod B bar equal to mod B times A bar by mod A bar. unit vector along A bar, that should be written. That means mod B bar is 7 times mod A bar is I plus 2j plus 2k upon mod A bar is 3. This is 7 by 3 of I plus 2j plus 2k. Second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Now eighth question. Okay, eighth question. Right. If OP bar equals to 2i plus 3j minus k, OQ bar equal to 3i minus 4j plus 2k, then direction cosines of PQ bar, vector PQ bar, are direction cosines of vector PQ bar we need to find out. So first option 1 upon root 59 times minus 1 comma 7 comma 3. Second option 1 upon root 59 1 comma minus 7 comma 3. Third option 1 upon root 59 comma 1 comma 7 comma minus 3. Fourth option 1 upon root 59 of 1 comma minus 7 comma minus 3. Right. Our question is direction cosines of PQ bar we need to find out. First we need to find out PQ bar. What is given? Position vector of P given. This is position vector of P. So OQ bar given. This is position vector of Q given. Then PQ bar we need to find out. Then direction cosines we need to discuss. So let us find out how to find out. Solution. PQ bar can be written as the difference of the position vectors. OQ minus OP. That means 3i minus 4j plus 2k minus 2i minus 3j plus k. This is I minus 7j plus 3k. Okay, now in order to find direction cosines, unit vector you need to find out. So that's the concept we need to find out. So mod of PQ bar find out. That is equal to under root of I coefficient is 1, 1 square is 1, j coefficient is j component is minus 7, square is 49, plus this is 9, 3 square is root 59. So now let us say direction cosines is equal to LMN. That we can write like this: LIMJ plus NK is equal to PQ bar by mod of PQ bar right down. I coefficient L, J coefficient M, N, K coefficient N. L, M, N are the direction cosines of given vectors now. So this is equal to, we can write 1 upon root 59 times I minus 7j plus 3k. So now we need to write L comma M comma N, direction cosines. L means I coefficient, 1 by root 15 common, you keep like that only. Here I coefficient is 1 comma j coefficient is minus 7, k coefficient is 3, 1 comma minus 7 comma 3. So second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Okay, just think of one question. I will give it as a homework to you now. Homework. Tomorrow I will discuss. I will give 5 minutes time to solve this question also. If a straight line makes an angle cos inverse 1 upon root 3 cos inverse 1 upon root 3 with each of the positive x, y and z axis a vector parallel to that line is first one is I, second one is I plus j, third one is j plus k, fourth one is I plus j plus k. Okay, try this question. I will give 5 minutes time to you. You can have a discussion also. Option C. Good try. Option 4. Good try. Where is Balaraju? What's your answer? Very good, Anna. Absolutely correct. Yes, Monica. Fourth, good try. Manish Reddy. Okay. Jyoti. Very good, Anna. Very good, very good. Good try, good try. Sanjay, yourself also correct. Okay, tomorrow. So tomorrow we shall have the clear discussion about this problem, ninth problem. And some more problems tomorrow we shall discuss. Okay. Right. Bye. See you.